Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's already like 2 p.m. and I just woke up from my nap, and now I'm going to like cook my dinner. I know it's too early, but I have to do it now because it's too hot. And yeah, I'm just gonna make rice first. I have my brown rice. It's really big. Then I have to make I have to cook like white rice also for my sister because she's sick. Well, good thing I have like 2 rice cookers. I look so weird because I don't have like my eyelashes. Sometimes I know I've been cooking a rice for a long time now, but sometimes I don't know how to make. Sometimes it's too watery. So yeah. This is the first batch. It's brown rice, and then I'm gonna cook white rice. I cook like how do you get this? Sweet potato here for my breakfast tomorrow. Before I go to the gym, I only have 2 left. So that's all I have to cook. Now I'm gonna make the second batch of my rice. Then I'm gonna make like fish stew. How do you call it? I'm just gonna put like 3 cups. I use the tap water. I've been to the gym, right? I've been to the gym and it was really so hot in there. Then I ran out of gas. I have to push my tricycle to the gas station. I'm just gonna show you guys my fish. Oh, look at this. I'm sweating. Yeah, that's my fish. Good thing I still have tomato. So yeah, let's check my sweet potato. I think it's done. But I can't see anything. Yeah, I think it's good, man. It's only 3:35 and I'm just gonna make my fish later. I'm gonna cook it later. It's only 3:35. I want to eat it like hot, so okay guys, I just decided to make the dinner, the fish now. It's already like 3:47 and I'm just gonna make the fish right now. So first I need tomato. I'm gonna add like 2 tomato and I don't think if this is still okay.
fish is gonna be my breakfast tomorrow and my lunch. My dinner today, I took for tonight, and then my lunch, my breakfast for tomorrow and lunch. I'm gonna cook like so many tomatoes because this tomato is really good with the fish soup. So yeah, let's cook it.
Reheat the pan. Just a little bit of oil. Then we have to add the fish. And 1 cup of water. Oh no, I need here. It's like tinola. Oh no. It's okay. I feel like it's too much water, but yeah. And pepper. I think I'm doing it wrong. And where's my salt? Okay, where's my salt? And put the cover. Okay, and let's wait. Oh my god. Okay guys, I just finished cooking my dinner. It is currently like 4:05, so I'm gonna eat like at 5 before 6. So yeah, I know guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and likes. Thank you. Bye.